People often say like, remove your stress. We can't do that. So I love stress mastery because we define stress as the gap between your demand and your capacity. So what happens between what you're being asked to do and the energy you have to bring to your day. And we can't change what we're being asked to do, but we can recharge our energy. So stress mastery is all about figuring out how to start the morning well, how to take 3 to 5 breaks during the day, and literally recharge your battery just like you would plug in your cell phone.
So it sounds like you're talking about routine, which all of our routines have been just blown up. How do we set new routines when things change every hour?
Yeah, it's great to connect them with something that you know you will do, like eating lunch, getting out of bed, taking a shower. These are things that, I mean, maybe some of them are flexible still. But if you can say, okay, every time I get out of the shower, I'm going to take 30 seconds and do some deep breaths. Okay. Research shows you don't have to do 10 minutes of meditation to recharge your battery. It can be 30 seconds. It can be 2 minutes. So we're talking about little things like moving your body. If you have to work with your kids on school, take a moment and just sit with them and have an intentional kind of little snuggle time and enjoy it instead of wishing you were somewhere else. That's the definition of discontentment, is being one place and wishing you were doing something different. So sometimes just diving in and embracing and saying, you know what, this is an opportunity and I can't be perfect all the time, but for 5 minutes, I'm going to be really present, or I'm going to go jump on the trampoline with my kids and just kind of let loose and allow that to be a way to recharge your system.